Hey everyone, welcome back to another review video, and in this video we're going to show you only 3 products that I have. And you guys probably know me that I'm not going to show you any product that I'm not going to use. So we have 3 products and I'm going to show you one by one. We're going to unbox that. This is the first dock we have right over here. As you can see, their packaging is kind of little weird. I don't know why they send me a product without any box, just in a bubble wrap. So it's very simple, but why I'm gonna use this one? I have 2 dock in my vehicle. I used one, I changed that, I come back to another one, but for now, I'm gonna use this one because this has a special feature that no other product I used has. So this one has Apple Watch charger, and as you can see right over here, we have that right here so that you can charge your Apple Watch. It's pretty simple. The same thing, you can just pull the cable. Seems like very nice cable quality. We have the USB-C charger right over here. You just pull back, it's just gonna go back. You leave like that. We also have a USB lightning port right over here for your older iPhone, and it's gonna convert to a USB-C, so you can use that as well. It's kind of an adapter. We have another USB-C port right over here, and we also have a USB-A. So you're kind of covered for any cable, which is great. And you can also close this section so that nothing is visible right over here. So you just do that, or you just slide back there. So I'm gonna definitely go back to the car and show you how to install that, as well as how to connect everything. So the most important thing for me was connecting my Apple Watch and charging right over here, because in Tesla you kind of can't charge your Apple Watch because it's a different wireless charger you need. But for this product, it comes with it, which is amazing. So now I can charge my Apple Watch. So it has a car charger, and it's gonna go into that under that space you have, and I just put it there. So I will definitely show you how to install this product. So let's move to the next product right now. Okay, so this is another product they sent me, but it has a different branding. I don't know, it doesn't say T-Launch. That's another thing, that their branding on their products is a little weird, which I didn't like. But other than that, the product quality, the weight and everything seems amazing. I'm gonna unbox that and show you what it is and how you can use that. So what you can do is a vacuum cleaner. Okay, you can clean your car. You have a ball inflation. That means you can put air on the ball. Car tire inflation. That means you can also put air on your tire, motorcycle, bicycle. So kind of 2 in 1. So I'm gonna unbox this one in front of you so that you get all the features and how it looks. But this is a very high quality product, I can tell you that. It weighs a lot and it is big. So I'm gonna put that on the side. I will unbox that. Perfect. I don't know why the branding says a different name, but it's a very high quality product, I can tell you that. We have a charging cable. What is that? Oh, okay, so it's kind of the brush so that it can suction and clean your vehicle. So I'll put all of this on the side. I will unbox the main thing. It's super happy, I'm telling you. It's not something that is like cheap quality. It is very good quality. And it has a digital screen right over here. I don't know if you can see that. And it has every information. You can, is it touch screen? I don't think so. Oh, you can increase that, like how much kPa or PSI you want to put. So let's see how it's gonna work. So it also has a 3/4 screw here, so you can put it on a tripod or something, and then you can turn that on. Interesting. Let's see. Okay. Oh, perfect. You just turn it on. You can put that, and you can use. You see that there was a hair here. I'm gonna put some. I have some onions skin on my table. I'll just grabbing these with that, because on my tripod I had to give weight so that it doesn't tip over. So I'm just putting all of this onion skin using this vacuum. Very nice. Okay, perfect. So let me turn that off. Oh, this is more powerful. If you press that, it's more powerful. So one button, turn that on. Second time, more powerful. Third time, it's turned off. So for this one, I'm pretty sure you connect that port. I'm pretty sure we have something else in the box. So let's just bring the box back. As I told you, I'm stupid. I shouldn't have thrown that before checking. So what you have here is that cable that we use to put air on our tire. So I'll just put that out from that. Very, very high quality. I can tell you that. Easy. Guys, you guys should get this one. You guys definitely should get this one. This is a USB-C cable, and this is probably putting air on the football or something. I don't need these two because I'm just gonna connect this one at the end of these. I thought this is a 3x4. I'm such a weird reviewer. So you just connect this one here and you put this one on your tire. Connect this to the tire and turn on, so you should probably put air on your tire. So let's do that. You have to just select that. PSI, it says PSI right over there. I don't know if you can see that screen. PSI. It is touch screen for sure, but I don't know why it is not turning on. Let's put it on 30, 42 like the Tesla one. I don't know if you can see that screen. Okay, third, I'm gonna do not bar. I'm gonna go PSI. I'm increasing right now. 11, 12, 13, 14, 16. Why it is not going over 16? Oh, it says football. That's why. Bicycle, bike, car. Okay, now it says car. But can I go bar to PSI? Interesting. When I choose car, let me show you. When I choose car right over here, you can see that it says bar, but I need to move to that PSI. But if I go to the football, it says PSI right over there. So I definitely have to play with it a little bit, and I'll show you how it works on the car. How can you put air on your vehicle? So I'll do that. Okay, so let's move on the third product, which is the most favorite out of all of these three products for me. So you probably already saw that I'm wearing a ring right over here, right? It's a smart ring for your Tesla. You can unlock your vehicle with this. It's very simple. I probably don't need to explain that to you. So here is that box. Again, not a very high quality box, as I told you already, but it has a very nice kind of like engagement ring kind of box. You open that, it also has a light right over here, so it just glows over it. So it does come something like let me remove that and show you. So it just stays like that, and you just close that. So what I did was, like, I took that and you just tap this one on your wireless charger pad, and Tesla is gonna say, hey, put your key fob over there. So you just tap that and it just syncs. So now, if you don't have your phone as well as your wallet, you can just tap this one on the outside of the door and the Tesla will unlock, So I'm married. I wear my wedding ring, but probably from now I'm just gonna wear this one for now, so that, I can unlock my car, and, it's very convenient that I don't have to worry about anything else. So let's go into that car and show you how all of these three products works. So here we are. As you can see, here is our dock, and we have this port on the cigarette lighter port inside here. So very simple. So what we're gonna do is first align this. I have to see how we're gonna do it. So very simple. You just put it there and put it in a 45-degree angle, and then you just move it towards you, and you just set up. It's very tight. And now I'm gonna put the cigarette lighter inside here so we get power. So let's do that. Perfect. So I'm pretty sure we got the power. The setup is very simple. So USB-C port right over here for you guys, and I'm gonna unlock my phone to show you how the charging thing works right over here. Perfect. You can see that it's charging right over here. So I don't know if you can see that. So let's move forward a little bit. Let's do it one more time. So you just put that in and it's charging. So very simple setup. Just takes like 5 seconds to do that, but now I can charge my Apple Watch, which is unbelievable. I always wanted that because my previous dock I used to use doesn't have that Apple Watch charger. And now I also have a USB-C port here, USB-A port here, lightning cable. If you have a lightning, you know, you can just connect this one and just charge your older iPhones. But I need USB-C. All of my devices are USB-C, which is great. And I just close that. You can see that it looks very like, you know, like exactly the same as Tesla built. And now I can also close these. I just have to push and you can't see anything. It's kind of hidden here. Looks like OEM Tesla product, and I can just open it, tap it, and close it. So I have one more USB-C here, USB-A, and all the cables. But the main thing I got it for this reason is the Apple Watch charger. So now let's move to the second product. So here is our second product that I was already unboxed in front of you. So it is a vacuum cleaner. It also has the capabilities to do, you know, like put air on your tire. So what we're gonna do, I'm just gonna show you how you can use that to vacuum your vehicle. So I have a lot of dust right over here. I don't know if you can see that. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna turn that on. It has 2 modes. I press once, it turn on, but I want a little bit more suction, so I'm gonna press twice. So I turned it off. Look at that, all the dust I collected. Look at that. So to put air on the tire, it comes with these nozzles. So what you need to do is just screw it right over here, and you have a display as I showed you earlier. So what you have to do is put your tire pressure. For Tesla, we're gonna use 42, and just double tap right over here on the play icon. Turn on, as you can see. Tap one more time and it's gonna turn off. And you just have to, you know, screw this one on your tire so you can put air on the tire. So hopefully you got the idea how you can put air on your tire. So now back to the third product, which is my favorite product out of everything, because this ring can unlock my Tesla. So what I will do is I'm gonna leave with my phone. I'll keep it somewhere else and come back and I'll unlock with my ring. So let's do that, right? Unlocking right now. So as you can see that my camera dropped, but you saw that when I was trying to unlock with my hand without tapping that, and I couldn't get into my vehicle, but when I touched that on that B pillar and the camera, like the car just unlocked. So thank you for watching. The link is in the description. I highly recommend you guys get this item. It's like very like low price, high quality stuff. It doesn't even look like a cheap ring. It's a very high quality thing, and the dock loved it. So make sure you go and purchase from T-Launch. Thank you for watching. I love you so much, and you have a wonderful, wonderful day.